Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2006 Honda CRV. The customer's complaint was that intermittently the vehicle would buck or surge under acceleration. The check engine light was on. They had owned the vehicle since it was new. It had never really done that before, so they were concerned as to what could be causing it and what was going to take to get it repaired. When we brought the vehicle in, we scanned it. We noticed that there were some codes for the variable valve timing solenoid. That solenoid is important for vehicle efficiency as far as fuel mileage and acceleration, that type of stuff. And when it is not working correctly, it confuses the computer and the computer is not quite sure what to do. We informed the customer that they would need a new VVT solenoid. We got that put in, test drove it, made sure everything was working as it should. So if you have a vehicle that's running rough, or maybe you don't think it's getting quite as good a fuel mileage as it used to, those are definitely some things that we could help you improve. Please give us a call. My name is Dan. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Thanks for watching the video. Please share the video so other people in your situation can get the information.